Hey guys, welcome back. And in this video, what we're going to try to express to you is the importance of resetting after every rep. As you can see here, Sean is being very deliberate in not resetting himself after each rep. By not resetting yourself, you're not getting the true benefit of the exercise. And by going so crazy like this, eventually it's going to lead to injury in your body, which we want to avoid. So after every rep, make sure you reset yourself. And we're going to show you a couple examples of what we mean in a second.
Whoa. What was that first? No. Go back. Hit the reset button.
Now, as you can see here, Sean is taking his time after every rep, making sure his body is in perfect alignment before he does the movement that we're asking for. Okay? By doing things this way, you're going to get the true benefit of the exercise. Yes, I understand you want to get as many reps in as possible, but you want to get as many perfect reps in as possible. So you must take your time after each rep, and your body will thank you for it, and you will get the most benefit out of each exercise.
It was better. Much better.